अरे तुम कहीं भी रखोगे
कहीं भी रख दूं, माथे पे रख दूं इधर.
Okay.
Welcome back.
I heard your friends hate me.
My friends don't hate you. My friends have no problem with you at all.
The teaser has branded me for life, apparently. So, what I heard was that in the teaser, I am very snarky to you. And these are the exact words, by the way, I'm quoting. But I'm very
Snarky.
yes. And that's why I paused and I was like, am I? And I watched the teaser again. And then I remembered that when we were editing, and I keep telling her, so unprofessional or Bano unprofessional. And I keep telling sorry to her when we're editing because we've heard it like a million times. So I said, maybe your friends hate me
Now
because
it's time to officialize. Officiate
officiate.
तो वो तो verb होता है ना.
Okay,
Do for someone
so we will
else's.
stop talking about
Okay.
this. I will talk about
English is my second language.
yes. No. We will introduce ourselves,
Okay.
and but let's do it in a fun way
Let's
because
do it.
that's what we are. We are
Hmm.
fun girlies. Um, if you had a character wiki,
Hmm.
what would it say? And for people who are uninitiated to this because they're not as crazy about their shows, just like there is a Wikipedia for like general information, there are series and characters wikis. I think it's not called Wikipedia, but it's called
It's a
wikis.
wiki. You know
Yeah.
how there's a wiki how page and there's a wiki. The wiki is a
Mm.
separate thing.
Wiki is
Yeah.
a separate thing now. So there's like
Yeah.
character wikis and series wikis.
And they're a lot more detailed. They
Yes.
have so
Yeah.
much nuance and detail, and you are at the risk of running into spoilers, but also you're like, कितना information
But
मिलने वाला है
very
मुझे.
honestly, if you're looking at character and series wikis, you are open to spoilers. That's why you've reached there.
You wanted spoilers
Yeah.
actually. Deep down you wanted them. You were
Sounds a
asking for
little bit.
them.
It's victim blaming.
Victim
So we will stay away from
victim
that.
of spoilers. No, but
Yeah.
yeah. Question is
Yeah. If you had
okay.
a character wiki, what would happen?
Okay, so first of all, I'd be the character of like a eight season show.
Oh,
Yeah. Not like 5 because that's a little
okay.
healthy. Not like 15 because that is just pushing it. 8 is the perfect where the first 6 seasons were great and then the last 2 seasons were कि कुछ भी हो रहा है.
Rush through it a little.
I am the character that dies in the 6th season and then the show goes downhill. Or like disappears from the show in the
Yeah.
6th season or is written off or something and people are like, the show is just not the same after XYZ
Makes sense.
left the show.
Yeah.
That's who I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you want to add a little bit more about your demographics?
Oh, still a female character.
Yes.
I think very, very brooding, very grumpy,
Yes.
like a female Ron Swanson.
Hmm.
Yeah, like a female Ron Swanson,
Okay. I like that.
but slightly more charming.
Yeah. I have seen you wallpaper your entire house.
Yeah,
So
just
and by the way, with
sticking
like
things
wood
for
decal.
furniture,
So
fixing
in
furniture.
today's day and age, since you can't be a carpenter like Ron
This is the
Swanson,
closest
this
you
is
can
the
be.
best. Okay.
Yeah.
I love that.
Okay. Now your turn.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. My character wiki. 100% I'm a 15-18 season showgirl. And it's still ongoing. The fan club of the season hates it now, but it's still ongoing.
Like a Grey's Anatomy.
Yes.
Like a Supernatural.
Yes.
Okay.
Supernatural ended.
Yeah, but it went on for
It
like
went on. Yeah,
15
we hated them
seasons.
by the end. Like
Yeah.
that's who I am. Like the
We're
more
like,
you know me,
अब तो कुछ भी कर रहे.
I am the show, in fact. I'm not a character in the show. The more I continue on in your life, the more you may hate me. So that's what happens. So that's one. And I think if I had to think of myself as a character, I would be. Actually, I would choose your show. So I'd be a Leslie Park. Very bubbly, very
Leslie
chirpy.
Nope.
Who's Park?
Leslie Park is just giving some Korean Leslie, just some new character on Kim's Convenience.
Also, wow, I never thought about it. I just assumed her name is Park.
Just like इतना पार्क करती रहती है. पार्क उसका लास्ट नेम होगा। अरे नहीं नहीं।
So like a Leslie Knope, I
हम्म।
would be like a Leslie Knope, and
Shameful.
very bubbly, very chirpy. You mumble something which they have caught and I have not. So, also very full of failure. Accepts the fact that she is full of failure, and generally gets things wrong, but tries her absolute best and can make cute faces and get away with anything.
I get it.
Yeah.
A lot more energy, a lot more
Hmm.
positivity. Would you call yourself a positive person?
That's actually a very interesting question, because I think I don't consider myself a very positive person.
Hmm.
I think I'm just a very chirpy person,
Hmm.
and people confuse that with positivity.
Hmm.
So they assume that, oh, she's always thinking like best case scenario, she's seeing glass half full, and I'm really not. I'm always thinking of worst case scenarios. I'm going into a place and thinking like 20 ways it could be robbed and worried about my own safety. I'm sitting into a car and thinking about like all of the ways that something could happen right now.
Hmm.
So I'm a very like, there is no water in the earth, but in fact there's a lot of toxicity inside me.
There is.
You agreed too quickly.
That's
Pause at least.
lit some incense before you were coming. Like must cleanse the air before she's coming only. Because from that distance itself I can feel
That is what I am. I am a bua. That's what happens when buas
you are a
come.
Kaleshi bua.
I'm a kaleshi bua. I have realized that I am actually just,
Okay, so you're a Kaleshi bua.
yes.
हाँ, जो बाहर से तुम्हें बहुत तुम्हें लगेगा कि अरे मेरी बुआ कितनी अच्छी है, बट देन यू विल फाइंड आउट शी इज कलेशी।
नहीं, आपको बाहर से भी नहीं लगेगा बहुत अच्छी है, आप
अच्छा,
जानेंगे कि ये
आपको
तो
कहीं से
कलेशी
अच्छी
है।
नहीं
एंड
लगी।
वो आएंगी और सब लोग रेडी होंगे कि अरे आएंगी, चलो बहुत मजे आएंगे,
दिल भी
देखेंगे।
हाँ,
एंड देन जब वो आती हैं उसके बाद वो थोड़ा कुछ बोल नहीं रही हैं, सब लोग उनको और एग कर रहे हैं कि अरे कुछ तो बोलेंगी,
कुछ तो
कुछ तो बोलेंगी।
बोलेंगी।
एंड देन व्हेन यू लीस्ट एक्सपेक्ट इट, शी विल
Suddenly,
स्टार्ट।
suddenly she
You
will bring
switch.
up.
Yeah, that's
Hmm.
me.
You're a Kaleshi bua. I am. What am I?
I'm staring too much into the eyes of our audience.
I'm looking into the distance. What am I? Oh God.
Okay. Hmm.
It's taking too long for me to come to the conclusion. I'm not a relative.
No, so I'm a Kaleshi Bua,
Okay.
and I'm a negative person masquerading as a positive person.
So you're saying it's on purpose?
No, it's just my personality. I can't fix it.
No, so you're saying the masquerading is on purpose?
No, that's also by not choice.
So then you're not masquerading.
Oh,
Because the word masquerading itself implies.
oh, that I am trying to do something
Hmm.
actively. What would be some? Okay, we won't get into that.
Arey chodo.
What are you though? Like, if you had to
That's what
think, are
I'm.
you a positive person?
No, I'm not positive, and everyone can tell immediately that there is no positivity here.
Okay, yeah,
Could
you're really
you?
bringing the vibe
Could
down.
you tell? Could you tell that?
I mean, I thought of you as a calm person. I thought of you as a controlled person. So I didn't know for a while whether you're a positive person. But then I would say in some instances, I would actually say you're quite a positive person, because you are able to like see the good in things, get stuff done.
I can see
Not,
the good in things, but not people. I refuse to see the good in people. There
that's
is
fair.
no good in people,
Yeah.
and that's okay. There doesn't need to be any good.
Yeah, we're sending them to Mars anyhow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're not a positive person
No,
and you don't present as such.
I don't try to.
Okay. And if you had to pick a section of the relatives, who would you be?
Like a very distant, unmarried, mysterious sort of उसके बारे में कुछ rumors फैलते रहते हैं कि they're diseased or they
Sounds like you're getting into very specific example. Is there anything you'd like to tell me?
they had some fight with the government or things like that. Like
We have very different families.
like these are the like there'll be some weird rumor and the kids will be making up stories about it and making the stories bigger and bigger. In
Hmm.
reality,
Oh,
it's not
fair.
that much.
Because they don't even know the
Yeah,
person, but they've made up stories about the
yeah.
person.
Doesn't talk much,
Hmm.
doesn't interact much with the family, doesn't come to family functions.
Sounds like the dream though.
I am the dream.
Okay, there.
No, but tell them what you told me today about what you're going to practice about complaining about things.
I don't want to tell them, but
Say to
I
the people what you feel about yourself. Be honest with them. Honest.
I said, so there is this person
Oh.
who also shared this theory in a space that I was in, where he said that, hey, what if you go like a day without complaining and you do this as a trial, and then it really shifts how you are and how you are. And I thought that I'd try it for this entire weekend while I'm here
Hmm.
with you.
But she hasn't tried it at all,
I
I'd like to
have
say.
not actually. I forgot about it because the minute the smallest inconvenient thing happened to me, I was like, "ये तो मेरी life ही खराब है."
Sometimes she has complained about things that are not even inconvenient. Let's move on from the criticism now. My hot take is that nobody is very different personally and professionally.
Of
Like,
course,
and by that I mean like the values that they bring to their personal life
yeah,
and the kind of ethic and
yeah.
discipline that they bring to their personal life is the same in your working life. And my mom would always tell me this, and I would always be like, this woman is really trying to shit on me, and maybe she was, but she was right.
By the way, I have realized your mom is almost always right.
She is almost
The
always right, and that is not good for me at all.
the older I've gotten, the more
Hmm.
I've realized that our parents are almost always
They
right.
are.
And I hate the fact that I'm putting it out in public right now, but
But parents, if you are
yeah,
watching this,
you are almost always
you are
right.
almost always right.
Yeah, and we may not take that opinion that they share with us in the moment,
We won't.
but later in the darkness of the night,
Yeah.
when we're just about to fall asleep, a small voice in my brain will say, your mom or your dad was right at
Yeah,
that
and I'll
time."
be like, shit, my mom is right.
Yeah, and I'll never let them know,
I'll
because
never
if
let
they
them
know,
know.
that's too much power that they have
Then
there.
the next time they will use that and be like, पर तुम्ही ने बोला था कि मैं तो सही ही
Hmm.
बोलती हूँ.
And then if at any point we actually disagree and we feel like something's wrong, then it's very difficult to do that, because now we have given them enough proof that they're almost always right, that we have to try it,
Yeah.
because they're like, try करके दे देखो, क्या पता हम right हो.
Moving on to the fact that we know each other professionally, we work together.
Yes.
We were working on the same team.
Yeah. We were. Oh, I have to add something here.
I want to ask you,
Okay.
what was your, and this is a very cliche question.
Ah, ah, ah. Okay.
There's no
Continue.
life behind my eyes when you
There
do
is no.
things. There is none. No, but what would you say was your first impression of me versus now? Like, what is one thing that has changed dramatically?
Oh, actually, my first impression of you was that you're a very stable, calm young woman, who's older than she um, says she is. So everything about my perception of you changed over the time that we've known each other.
But not the stable part.
So I
Not the stable part. Yeah? Say no, say.
as you can see, she is very stable. I'm really afraid of triggering her. No, okay. So I think you're stable in a very different way. Like, I wouldn't say you're stable. I would say you're dependent, like dependable.
Dependable.
Dependent.
I would not like to call myself dependent. I have worked very hard to
all
build.
my all my English has gone to shit. I'm like, Are you are dependent? No, you're very dependable.
Hmm.
Like, you're very consistent,
Hmm.
but you're not stable. And I'll tell you why I say that is because you are very crazy.
I am.
You have like a lot of like ticks and nuances. And I think that's what you need as a person to be interesting, and I think that's really cool.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I know that there is a work ethic that I can rely on. I know that there are certain things that I can come and talk to you about, because you will show up with the kind of maturity that that conversation needs, right? Like, I think all of those are very true for me, which is why I would say you're very dependable as a person. And I think that's what I saw in you at that point in time, but I considered it as stability, because I was like, oh, whatever.
Hmm.
Because when I first met you, you were just like having a lot of like conversations of were on your best professional self, asking questions and being really curious, not doing
I'm
eye
too
rolls.
good.
You didn't wait for the second part.
I've never done eye rolls at work. Okay, I never do them. I'm very good at work.
You have done so many eye rolls, but okay, so you weren't doing eye rolls, you weren't making like side faces yet, you weren't like making snarky comments at everyone around us. So I think until then I was like, oh, very fun, chill young woman. And then I got to know you.
And then you were like fun and chill and young.
I thought just Koki. I thought
Arre,
we'll call you Corky, you know, and young Sheldon.
I heard cokey, and I thought you meant like she's on coke, like that's the
um,
vibe.
no, not that.
Very teetotaler when it comes to cocaine. Hey, please.
Oh no, you could see it.
How you are saying?
No, I think very quirky, but at the same time very mature.
Hmm.
Like it's a very good mix.
Hmm.
Now say about me. Oh, you're quiet.
Arre,
See how you.
I thought it did not end. I thought there was
That
more.
was it. That was about it.
Um, I think when I first met you, it gave me a sense of comfort ki hey, I'm going into a workplace where the people have a personality which is more than just their work. Like
Mm.
that is the vibe that you gave me. Also because you had joined like 3 months before me, so it hadn't been very long for you
One
as
month,
well.
I think.
Oh,
You
you
came to
joined in
me.
April and I came in July.
Oh, sorry. I was thinking of
Listen, girl,
the
I
first
remember the
step back.
joining dates of
No,
everybody.
but I was thinking of the first step. I was thinking of the first time we met.
Huh.
Sorry.
Yeah, when I met you, it had been like 2 months for you.
1 month.
4th April was your date of joining, na?
No, first June.
Was June?
Yeah. You.
She's been fucking lying. She's been lying to everyone.
It's first June. It's always been first June.
What a liar. Don't lie to me. But
So
anyway,
it's 1 month.
I thought that there's a lot of like good energy here, very similar energy here, and that made me feel instantly comfortable. Also because I had not started yet, like it was still
Hmm.
there was still a month for me to
Yeah.
start, so I felt like I had something to look forward to now. I was like, oh, these
Hmm.
are the
True.
people that I'm going to be working with.
Yeah.
Like they've asked me to not work remotely and come into the office, but they seem like good people to work with, and all of that was based off of you.
Aww.
And then Yesha, of course.
You can't throw her name around like an afterthought.
Or she will be very angry.
Yeah.
No, but that was, I think, one of the good opinions that I had. I think it's all been, and I think your energy has been consistent through that. I don't think the energy has changed. Of course, I started having a lot more respect for you professionally as well because you have really helped with a lot of stuff, and I don't think I was asking for help, and you have just been like, hey, no. And it wasn't like work related or skill related, like it was work related,
Yeah.
but it was more very, it was a lot of like organic advice. It
Based
wasn't related to one specific key.
for
Hey, your Excel sheet is just not, it's not giving a girl, redo it. It wasn't like that. It was more like, hey, I see that you need some support here.
what I have basically done is just hounded her to be like, ये प्रॉब्लम है फीडबैक क्यों नहीं दिया तुमने तेरी
हाँ.
फीडबैक दिया करो फीडबैक क्यों नहीं देती हो तुम
More personality building, which was nice.
which was nice eventually
Yeah.
when she got the hang of it.
Once I started reaping the benefits of that
Oh.
growth, then I was like, "Arey, there's some merit in what she's saying."
I am telling you, I am like your mother.
Oh, okay. And that's not a bad thing. It's always good to have someone like that around.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really like that thought.
The other thing about her, though, first of all, even when we met, we've had so many conversations about shows.
Yes.
Just like we were going somewhere on a bus, and the entire bus ride we've just had conversations about shows, and the person sitting next to us has put in their earphones because they've been like, guys, I'm not going to participate in this because I have work, and we have just continued
Oh.
yapping. And I remember some takes of yours, like you said that you like Bridgerton season 1 more than season 2, and I was like, okay, I'm surprised because I like season 2 more, and you were
Oh.
like, no, I like season 1 more. And then we were talking about
Bridgerton
you.
season 2 was not even out by then.
It was.
Oh, and
Yeah.
the first time I've met her, that's what I've told. Okay, okay,
We
fair
spoke
enough.
about shows. We spoke about like Jane the Virgin, Parks and Rec, all of these shows.
Yes. Oh my god.
And these are all shows
I
again
remember that conversation now.
in the buzz.
Yes, and also like we were talking about like that crying scene from Jane the
Yes.
Virgin and how good she is in that. Oh my god, that was too good.
It was good.
And then we also spoke about Supernatural. No, not then.
No, not
It was
then.
later. Okay.
And then she asked me a little bit about like when you actually joining. Tell me a little bit about like your past work experience. And then forgot about this entire conversation half an hour later. So then, out of 10 people, she has asked me the same questions again. And I have thought, okay, maybe she wants me to say it again in front of more people. Then, again, at the end of the day, she has again asked me the same questions. And then I've asked her that, hey, we've already spoken about this. Do you not remember? And she said, oh, really? So I was like, great girl. Little bit of a memory thing.
I do have a memory
But
thing.
great person overall. A lovely, wonderful person. You get
Ah,
some and you don't get some with
this
people.
is too
And
funny. Yeah, this is too funny.
but yeah, that was my
I can also
impression.
imagine as a newcomer, this person is just asking you the same questions like 3 times.
I was like, maybe she's just not listening, or maybe she's just really liking what I have to say. I was
maybe,
genuinely
maybe this
confused.
is some kind of a hazing.
I was like, this one's a real chatty one, huh? Running out of topics and asking the same one again and again.
But I'm so consistent that I ask the same questions over and
Same
over.
ones. And I was like, what is going on? But then I called it out at the end. I was like,
You
listen,
called it out every time, I feel. I
no.
remember you are calling it
Second
out.
time I didn't call it
Oh.
out. Then third time, I don't know if you remember where that lake area is there. We were all sitting.
Oh, I don't. I don't remember that also now. So,
Then I remember I had to room with someone else, but then both of us were like, oh no, let's room together. But then I don't think we ended up rooming together.
I don't even remember who I roomed with.
You didn't have anyone in the room
I
with
did.
you.
I
Oh,
did.
then that person must have left or something.
Yes.
Because you were like, you come and stay with me because we've
Oh,
already
yeah.
spoken.
I'm like, oh, there is a person here already. Why don't you also
अरे
join?
चलो चलो
गद्दा लगा लेंगे.
वो टेबल पे सो जाएंगे कबर्ड में सो
No, no,
जाएंगे
no. Okay, very cute thoughts.
yeah
Now I feel like I have to go more in detail about the first thoughts about you.
I have such
Yeah.
lovely things.
But the thing is, see, the problem is I have a memory issue, right? So
Hmm.
now I've just
So
called
see
it.
now that excuse you can't use for
So,
everything. Don't be like a man and be like ये तो मेरा issue है babe. Babe, you know I can't. Babe,
babe, listen, well.
babe, but I do so much for you, babe. And you are just bringing up this one thing,
Am I
babe.
a toxic boy?
Am I doing a podcast with a toxic boy?
Yes.
In which case, we should then be asking you different questions.
No, but okay, let me answer this one first before we
Okay.
move on to the more interesting questions.
Yes.
Um, okay, let me try and remember
Don't
actually.
sigh so loudly into the.
It's it's giving ASMR. Okay, no, let me think. Let me think. I will actually try, and for the audience, try and remember like first experiences with Aparna and like when I started thinking of her as a person and actually
And before that, I was wanted
and actually creating
entity of
no
artificial
actually
types.
creating memories about her. Um, so I definitely remember us meeting at 1 month before you joined. Sorry, I definitely remember us meeting then. I do remember the fact that I thought, oh, this person is quite cool. They seem to have like interests. And I felt like you had a very nice, calm energy, so which I've already shared. So I won't go into that into much detail. I actually don't remember you joining, etc. All of that. Post that, my next memory is just us working together. Like me just knowing that Aparna is like this professional chick who knows like data really well. Says I don't know how I know it, but somehow I just was like, that's her thing. I think by that time you had worked with like many other people around me
Hmm.
for me to like have gotten that information and me just knowing like, oh, this is a person you can depend on, and then immediately jumping into work with you. We started working on like one project together, and I think that's when I started realizing, oh, there is so much more than just working with like giving her stuff to do, but also like I really enjoyed thought
Yeah.
partnering with you. So for me it was a lot more about a Parna. Like I'd go to her with a problem and then she would actually find 10 more problems within the problem and outside of the problem, and then she'd be like, okay, let's fix all of them together, and then she would sit and we would fix till it was fixed. She wouldn't let it go, and I think very tenacious and resilient is what I took away from those parts. Also, like I was very amazed by how much you cared about people while being a person who doesn't seem to like care a lot.
Hmm.
Like you don't care and invest yourself on a very emotional level, maybe necessarily at work, but you do care a lot about people. So when I'd come to you with problem, you would always end up saying that, oh, actually, can we talk about this problem, um and how it impacts like XYZ people around, and then you would actually build a case for it. And I thought that was a very interesting thing that you did. I took that back and I immediately copied it, and I was like, oh, that's just how I am as a person, but I wasn't. I actually learned it from you.
Arey.
um, and um, and then I think over time, one of the things I also enjoyed was just our conversations about work. I think I was like, you and I have had both experiences of work outside of the place that we started working together at, and our experiences had not been very pleasant necessarily all the time. Like, we had like a mixed bag of
Hmm.
emotions around the places we worked at, and that's why when we would talk about things, I would always feel like there is a one distance removed conversation that I can have with you, which is not necessarily focused on how things are at work right now, but also like how things are in the ecosystem of work or when you enter the professional world. And that was really helpful. I didn't know till then that you were lying about your age and you're a baby, but um,
I have lied about my age to a lot of people, and
yes,
I
she
keep
has.
hoping that they'll understand that I'm lying, like they'll catch on to the lie.
But your
But
face
they
looks
don't.
so much more mature than your actual age, like in a good way.
I want to actually plus one to something you've said, which also ties into us doing this together. I think both of us would always love to go and above and beyond with the problem solving. Like it would really
Yeah.
excite us. And you would be like, hey, this is a problem. I'd be like, this is another problem. And both of us would be like, can we do it this way? And it would be something that hadn't been done before, but neither of us would be bogged down by the fact that it hadn't been done
Yeah.
before. We'd
Yeah.
be very excited to
Yeah.
implement it, and we'd
Like
be like,
I remember,
jaldi jaldi kab kar
आई
sakte hain
रिमेम्बर
isko.
हमने एक बार ये भी बोला था कि अगर हमारा जॉब सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग हो सकता है तो कितना अच्छा होगा.
हाँ.
एंड वी हैड अ होल इन डेप्थ कन्वर्सेशन अबाउट इट ओनली टू रियलाइज ये तो कंसल्टेंट्स करते हैं. वो सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग
प्रॉब्लम
करते हैं.
सॉल्विंग करते हैं.
एंड वी वर लाइक, ओ हमें कंसल्टेंट बनना है.
We will
When,
become consultants.
so I remember that also.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. Like the problem solving is very exciting.
It's very exciting, and this happens with a lot of people, right? Like where you talk to them and they'll be like, नहीं ये इतना करने की क्यों जरूरत है? This line I've heard a lot in my life. Why do
That's
you
right.
need to do so much?
And I think I've heard it in my
And
personal and professional
yes,
lives,
yes,
because even in personal lives, like someone will be, अरे इतनी मदद करने की जरूरत नहीं है,
जरूरत
वो
नहीं है.
समझ लेंगे, खुद से कर लेंगे. And sometimes it can get really annoying because again, see, my parents are right here, because my parents are also the kind of people who go above and
Above
beyond
and
for
beyond.
like the people in their personal
Yes.
lives. And I have sometimes not appreciated that, because I've said, hey, you have gone above and beyond, but the people don't respond to it, they don't
Yeah.
see it, and then they don't appreciate it.
Yeah.
So why do you do so much? Just let them be. I've also been that person,
Yeah.
but now I'm seeing the value of it, because when you do go above and beyond, more than being able to do something for the other person, it's the kind of satisfaction you get because there was a problem
Hmm.
and you kind of helped people find a solution to it.
Hmm.
Sometimes it's not the solution they want.
Yeah, but
But
you did your bit.
yeah.
I have another hot take here,
Yes.
which is that when you're going above and beyond and going the extra mile to do something for someone,
Yeah.
another part and aspect of going above and beyond is not expecting anything in return.
Yeah,
It's
that's a
not
difficult one.
possible. It's not possible to do it. The human tendency is to expect something when the need arises and when the time arises.
Yeah.
But if you're going so above and beyond, then is it because you're expecting something? Like it's
Hmm.
important to think that when you're helping out
I
someone,
like it.
are
That we're
you,
doing it
yeah,
selflessly because we think it's our
yeah,
duty.
or
And
are you trying to build a connection where someone owes you something in the future?
that's a really good question. Actually, I'd like you to answer that first, because I think I know what it is for me.
Okay, answer what? What's the question? Like when I help someone, do I
You
expect
asked the
something?
question and then you forgot
I
it.
mean, it was
Yes,
very
that is the
rhetoric.
question. You summarize.
Um, I do expect, like, I get very disappointed when people don't even extend a bare minimum of good behavior. But then I will tell myself that, hey, it's fine. You did what you did, and you would have done it for anyone. And if that is who you are, and if that's your personality, then you have to make peace with the fact that people are going to not going to respond with the same energy as you.
So you don't expect anything, but you
Huh.
would still do it. Is that what you're saying?
Because if it's coming naturally to you, कि मैं ये करूँगी.
I'm saying stop talking in third person and hypotheticals. Let's get deep
अच्छा.
and personal.
Oh, okay, okay.
Are you a person who generally will do things with some sort of expectation in the back of your mind? Or are you a person who will
Depends
generally
on
do
the
things?
person I'm helping.
Okay.
If it's like a friend,
Yeah.
I'll be like, whatever.
Hmm.
I'll do it for them either way. If it's an acquaintance, then I might say कि नहीं नहीं, I would do it anyway. But when the time comes and they've
Yeah.
not returned
Yeah.
the favor or whatever, I will be a little like, अरे नहीं किया
Hmm.
मेरे लिए. Then I'll have to talk myself down and be like, but
Why do you care so
why do
much
you
about
care so
this?
much? Yeah.
Hmm. Interesting. So when they're one layer removed, that's when you have more of an expectation of some
Yeah.
return,
Yeah.
versus when they're closer, it's easier to cut them slack.
Yeah.
Okay. For me, I think it's about the kind of thing that I'm doing for them. Um, like for example, I could give in many different ways, right? If it's advice, if it's something that I am doing which is also giving me joy, like maybe I'm baking something and giving something to someone, etc. If it's those kinds of things, then I don't expect anything in return, because I'm also getting some kind of joy. Like I love being able to tell people you are wrong and this is how you should live your life, even though I have no clue how to live life.
हाँ, एडवाइस रिटर्न में नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
एडवाइस
That's not
हमें
what.
एडवाइस नहीं
हाँ,
चाहिए,
वो
हमें
नहीं
एडवाइस
चाहिए.
मत दो.
हाँ.
हम परफेक्ट हैं,
हाँ.
बट at the same time, if it's something that's like monetary, if it's something that where it's all actually even directly money, or if it's something where I'm not getting any joy out of it and I'm doing it because I see you have a need for it or you've asked me to do it, then I have an expectation of return, because I'm like, if you made an ask of me, then you better like give that back to me 10 times. And my expectations are not even like normal. I'm like, then you make me feel better than how I made you feel. Like you help
Fair.
me more than how I helped you, which is not fair.
But that's who you are.
But
That's
that
how
is a
you.
little bit of who I am. This
Yeah.
is largely in my personal life though. At work, I think expectations matter again
Yeah.
based on like what the workplace is, who you're working with, what
Yeah.
kind of work it is, and also what kind of return you're looking for. Because at work, some part of me doesn't have a lot of expectations, because I am doing things A for the joy that it will give me, and B, there is a remuneration that I'm receiving anyhow. So I
I was
don't,
just gonna say,
yeah,
also that might not come from the place where you're helping, but it might come from another place. Like
yeah,
someone else will recognize that hey, she's someone who goes above and beyond, and you will
yeah,
still benefit.
yeah, exactly.
Whereas in
Like,
your personal life, even if someone calls you kind 20 times, okay, I'm kind and what?
and
Stupid?
what? So give me flowers.
Yeah. What am I going to do with those flowers?
Yeah.
I can buy myself flowers.
I can buy myself flowers. I can hold my own hand. I know only that much.
Okay.
But yes, you're right. Like that makes sense. So we have really diverged. I have no idea where we started from.
We have.
But she is excellent at this. Like it is kind of crazy how she will track a thought back to where it started from. So we will
Oh,
watch her do it in live action.